Before buying a smoke and carbon monoxide detector, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, First Alert SMI 100. Let's kick things off with the First Alert SMI 100. Priced at just $34.98 for a 2-pack, this battery-operated smoke alarm caught my attention with its advanced precision detection technology. If you want reliable early warnings in case of a fire, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The precision detection technology is designed to reduce those annoying false alarms from cooking, which is a common frustration for many. It complies with new industry standards, giving you peace of mind that it's effective. Plus, with over 10,000 units sold just last month, people are clearly trusting it. Now, some people complained about the battery replacement being a hassle. Here's the thing though, the front access battery compartment makes it super easy to replace, so it's really not a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable smoke alarm that's simple to install and maintain. Skip this one if you're looking for a combo detector though. It's just a smoke alarm. For the price, it offers solid value for keeping your home safe. Now, if the battery replacement aspect bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your needs.
Product number 2, First Alert SMCO 210. The First Alert SMCO 210 priced at $39.40. This one caught my eye for its slim profile and powerful combination of smoke and carbon monoxide detection. If you want a 2-in-1 solution with zero maintenance worries, this deserves your attention. This device features a 10-year sealed battery, which means you won't have to deal with low battery chirps or replacements throughout its lifespan. That's huge for those who often forget about routine checks. With over 8,000 sold last month, it's clear many people appreciate this feature. It also complies with the latest safety standards, so you can trust its reliability. Some users mentioned that the alarm isn't as loud as they expected, but honestly, the combination of smoke and sea detection makes it a worthwhile compromise, especially for small homes or apartments where sound carries more. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one device that you can install and forget about for a decade. Skip this if you need something with a louder alarm. For the price, it's a good investment in safety. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want faster detection.
Product number 3, Kitty 30 CUDR. Let's talk about the Kitty Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Available in a single pack, this one is powered by AA batteries and sells for a very reasonable price. What grabbed my attention was its promise of over 25% faster smoke detection. If you're worried about quick response times in an emergency, this could be the one for you. The 85 decibel alarm is pretty loud, ensuring you won't miss it when it goes off. It also uses advanced sensing technology to help reduce false alarms, which means fewer annoyances while cooking. With 3,000 units sold last month, it's clear that homeowners find it reliable. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit sensitive, going off with minor smoke from cooking. But look, this feature is actually a double-edged sword. While it may annoy some, it also means you're more likely to catch a real fire early on. This is perfect for you if you prioritize quick smoke detection and don't mind a bit of sensitivity. Skip this if you want a less reactive model. Overall, it offers great value for its features. Now, if quick detection is what you're after, the next product takes smart technology to the next level.
Product number 4, First Alert SMI-CO 100 AC. The First Alert SMI-CO 100 AC, a hardwired combo smoke and carbon monoxide alarm priced at $154.66 for a 3-pack. What sold me on this product is its ability to interconnect with other alarms. If you want a complete home safety network, this deserves a look. When one alarm sounds, all alarms will alert you, which is crucial for larger homes where sound might not carry well. It also comes with a battery backup for added security during power outages. Over 2,000 units sold last month indicates that many families are investing in interconnected safety. Some users have noted installation can be tricky if you're not handy with wiring, but honestly, once it's set up, you'll appreciate the peace of mind that comes with having a safety network. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive safety solution for a larger home. Skip this if you're in a small space or aren't comfortable with wiring. It's definitely a good investment for serious safety. Alright, that was a great option for larger homes, but the last product on my list brings connectivity to a whole new level.
Product number 5, Kitty Smart Detector. We have the Kitty Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector, priced at $69.98. This one caught my attention for its real-time notifications via the Ring app. If staying connected to your home safety while you're away is important to you, this might be the best choice. With features like enhanced sensing technology that reduces false alarms and a promise of over 25% faster smoke detection, it's designed for proactive homeowners. Plus, the wire-free interconnectivity means that if one alarm goes off, you'll be alerted on your phone no matter where you are. With 2,000 units sold last month, it's gaining traction in smart home circles. However, some buyers mention that the app can be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who wants cutting-edge technology in your home, this minor issue may not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you love smart home integration and want to stay connected to your safety. Skip this if you prefer a traditional setup without tech. For the price, it offers a solid blend of features for peace of mind.
So there you have it, the top 5 smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. First Alert SMI 100 for reliable single protection, SMCO 210 for a low-maintenance combo solution, Kitty 3C UDR for fast detection, SMICO 100AC for interconnected safety, and Kitty Smart Detector for modern tech lovers. Each one has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your safety needs best.